the galley on the Philippines Airlines Airbus A350. It's pretty nice. It's at the back of the plane. My seat is like right there. Pretty nice little galley and kitchen setup. Getting ready to give us pizza. I'm just making a little video of the galley. Now, is this the area that leads to the upstairs sleeping quarters right here? Yeah, I figured. Yeah, I see the steps going up. It's the only thing that stinks with this being a holy day, that not having a priest on board to offer mass on the aircraft, with it being January 1st, or at least one to say communion, you know. But I didn't really have a choice but to fly on this day, you know. Because all the flights for the following days were sold out.